So today I want to talk about Ohm's Law. So George Ohm was a German, I believe, scientist who studied electricity. One of the things was volts, ohms, and amps. And he decided there's a relationship between volts, ohms, and amps. And often we call this the Ohm's Law triangle. So we got electromotive force, amperage, and resistance. So what George Ohm said was that it takes 1 volt to push 1 amp through 1 ohm of resistance. Knowing that as being the law, we are able to calculate different parts of a circuit. So let's just go with a simple series circuit. We're going to put a resistor, or 2, we'll put 2 in there. And we're going to put 2 and 4 ohms. Ohm's law states that if you know any 2 values in a circuit, you can come up with the other. So a lot of times this is like solving a puzzle. So we can see we have 2 ohms and 4 ohms, and in series circuit they just add together. So it would be 2 plus 4 is 6. So I can just write it down here, 6 ohms, just so I remember. Now, depending on what I'm solving for, at this point I could say I'm trying to figure out how much voltage is in the circuit or how much amperage is in the circuit. But I'm going to say this is just a simple 12-volt circuit. We know that. So we can put this value in here, and we have 2 values, which means I can solve for it. So I'm going to make the formula out of my Ohm's Law triangle. So my formula is I, as it's blank, equals E over R. So just replace the numbers. We got a 12, we got a 6, 6 into 12 is 2, I equals 2 amps. So here we go. So we've got this far, we're able to use the Ohm's Law triangle, we understand what E and I and R equal. Let's check our numbers and make sure they're correct. So, I'm going to get on the other side here. So, we can go 2 divided by 12 equals 6. Or 2 times 6 equals 12. This is balanced. We're using Ohm's law correctly.